Hello aviation lovers, very good evening to all guys. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Aviation Live. So guys, Indigo Airlines are going back with the new airlines ground staff vacancy, and this vacancy video will be very detailed. Video will get to know very good amazing things. We'll be discussing on the job. We'll be discussing on the salary package, what kind of salary package they are giving. Next thing we'll be also discussing about the job location, job venue where you have to give the interview. Next thing we will also discussing about the job responsibilities, each and everything. So guys, if you're new in my channel, please do press the subscribe button, also press the bell notification icon, and this video will be very detailed video. So guys, before starting the video, let me share a few things. Is that we are Aviation Life, and we used to provide online coaching to crack airlines interview. Guys, if you don't have enough money, guys, if you don't have enough money to join any kind of institute where they are charging very high amount of money, approximately 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh rupees, so guys, no need to waste your dad's money on joining that kind of institute. Guys, don't waste your money here and there. Do join our institute just by spending 3,000 rupees. And guys, we used to provide online coaching to crack airlines interview. Guys, till now from our coaching we have 108 students got selected in airlines, and they are working in an airlines industry. Guys, we used to also make resume with 100% guaranteed shortlist, and we are India's first online coaching by an ex-airlines employee. Guys, we used to provide online coaching to crack airlines interview in Google Meet, and our primary priority is to make you crack airlines interview cracked and make you join airlines industry. So guys, this is our coaching. It's all about our coaching. So admissions has started for 1 March crash course, and discount is over. So the fees of the ground staff is 3,000 rupees, and fees for the cabin crew crash course is 3,000 rupees. So guys, do save your money, and this is how our students used to send our message after getting selection. So guys, she is Dipshika. She got selected at Kolkata base. So if you meet Dipshika at Kolkata, do say hi, because she was a student of our academy, and she got selected at Kolkata base. Guys, a lot of students are there. Some of students got selected Pune base. So if you can scroll down, you can see a lot of amazing students getting selected at different various bases just by taking guidance, online coaching by ex airlines employee to crack any airlines interview. Guys, one more thing, that do also watch our interview students, our video of the selected students, and do also join our Telegram channel. यहाँ पे link दिया हुआ है. Do join the Telegram channel where you'll get the latest update regarding the vacancies. Guys, one more thing is that we used to provide online coaching. You can watch, आप हमारे स्टूडेंट्स सेलेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स की वीडियो देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे जाके. तो यहाँ पे क्लिक मारिए सेलेक्टेड स्टूडेंट की, यहाँ पे जाके उनकी वीडियोस देखिए, उनके एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ चीजें सीखिए. गाइस, वन मोर थिंग कि पैसा वेस्ट मत कीजिए, अपना पैसा बचाइए, पैसा जो है बचाइए. जितने पैसे आप कहीं ज्यादा खर्च करते हैं, उतने की गांव में जमीन ले लीजिए, राइट? उतने फिर पैसे बचा लीजिए आप, ठीक है? डू जॉइन आवर कोर्सेज, डोंट वेस्ट योर मनी हियर एंड देयर. एंड हम जो प्रोफेशनली कोचिंग देते हैं एयरलाइंस का इंटरव्यू निकालने के लिए, right? We are an educational institute, and we used to provide professional coaching to crack एयरलाइंस इंटरव्यू. इधर ग्राउंड स्टाफ हो चाहे कैबिन क्रू हो, हम लोगों को घर बैठे बैठे कोचिंग देते हैं. तो आपको कहीं बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ना आपको अपना स्टेट बदलने की जरूरत है. आपको सिर्फ करनी है गाइस, घर बैठे जम के मेहनत करनी है, घर बैठे जम के पढ़ाई. सो लेट्स जंप डायरेक्टली इनटू द वैकेंसी. की वैकेंसी आई किस चीज के लिए, क्या है, कैसा है. तो फटाफट से आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करना है. ऑल्सो इंस्टॉल our app Aviation Live, and do also follow us in our Instagram Aviation Live. So guys, this vacancy is all about the new vacancy. And one more thing is that Indigo Airlines has released a lot of vacancies, right? For example, you can see a lot of ground staff vacancies. So many people were saying ki Indigo Airlines, they are not hiring, but guys, here they are hiring for Hyderabad base, Chennai base, Pantnagar base, Kangra base. Okay, suppose if I scroll down, I can see again few more vacancies, right? For example, Guwahati base, Guwahati, Guwahati, Impal, Ranchi, Bagdogra, Dimapur as well, Gaya, full time, right? It's full time. Dehradun, Kangra, still hiring is going on. Guwahati, Darbhanga, Durgapur, Gaya. And guys, our new vacancy, that is this vacancy is for the Bagdogra. Guys, a lot of people from the northeastern part and for the eastern region, they wanted to work with airlines, but the airlines was not releasing a vacancy. So just now airlines have released a vacancy for the Bagdogra base, and Bagdogra base Indigo Airlines has started hiring. They are hiring on the basis of freshers, right? So if someone is watching this video and if someone can relocate, they can guys apply for this kind of job. This job is for the freshers, and here it's clearly mentioned ki 0 to 7 years. It has mentioned, so it means Lucknow they're also hiring, Agartala they're also hiring. And guys, one more thing, Airlines has released the dates for Varanasi. So if someone has applied for Varanasi, and Airlines has released the date 25th of, okay, let me check. I have shared in Instagram, I have shared in Telegram. So guys, to know the videos, to know the date of Telegram, what you can do is that you can For much more information कि interview venue कहाँ पे है ना, to know interview venue, where is the interview venue, what you can do is that you can follow us in our Telegram. So what you have to do is that do click here, right? Do click on this Telegram channel link which I have mentioned, and there I have also shared the screenshot कि कहाँ where the interview is going to conduct, right? So if you want a latest update, click on the Telegram channel link and get a knowledge about that where is the interview is going to conduct. So guys, ये वाराणसी का इंटरव्यू हो रहा है, ये इंटरव्यू हो रहा है 25 फैब को, लेकिन डेट एंड वेन्यू जानने के लिए गाइस डू क्लिक ऑन द लिंक एंड जॉइन द app. Okay, join the Telegram channel. Okay, so your interview is conducted is going to get Bagh Dogra, and they are asking for fresher. Okay, so they are just hiring for the customer service. So if any girl, boy, anyone wanted in customer service department, this is vacancy for the customer service department, guys. Okay, now let's discuss about the salary. Salary approx guys 20,000 rupees. And now coming to the interview venue. Where's the interview venue is at Bagh Dogra. So if you got selected, if your CV got shortlisted, this is not a walk-in interview where you have to go and appear for the interview. No, there's nothing like that. Your CV will get shortlisted. After your CV will get shortlisted, airlines will decide that either they will be conducting an online interview or they will be conducting a walk-in interview. It depends absolutely on the airline. So it depends airlines to airlines. So this vacancy is for the customer service Bagh Dogra, and experience is 0 to 7 years. So if you wanted to join airlines, so this vacancy is for you. Okay, now coming to next thing is eligibility criteria. So guys clearly mentioned that eligibility criteria is graduates. So if you are a graduate wanted to work with the airlines, right? If you're a graduate, here it's not mentioned that they're hiring 10 plus 2, right? They're not hiring 10 plus 2. It's mentioned that graduates, undergraduates. Okay, so undergraduates. So if you are, so they are hiring 10 plus 2, right? They are hiring. It's clearly mentioned 10 undergraduates. So if you're first year, second year, third year from recognized board or university, you can apply. And second thing is that if any stage of prior and during the candidate for requisite qualification not connected for recognized board, so if your degree is fake, something like that, they will not gonna select you. And open board students, they can apply for this kind of job. And desired skills good, they require good communication skills, customer service aptitude, and open to work in rotational shift as well as night shift. And one more thing is that they don't require any kind of visible tattoo mark or body art, and the age is 18 to 27 years. And guys, interview candidate will reapply after 6 months. So if you have given interview earlier, right, so you can reapply only after 6 months. You cannot reapply before that, because this is the freezing period of an airlines, right? So these are the few duties and job responsibilities. So your duties and job responsibility are make reservation, आपको reservation करना पड़ेगा, ticket sell करना है, right? Customer को answer query करना है, cash इकट्ठा करना है, ठीक है? Screening the checked in baggage, maintain high quality check-in procedure. So ये सारी चीजें आपको करनी है. And one more thing is that guys, how to apply. So to apply for this job, what you have to do is that you have to click on apply now button and fill the full form. And after filling the full form, guys, you have to submit it by clicking the link here, submit application. After clicking the things, your CV will be sent to airlines, and after sending to the airlines will contact you, and they will be conducting an interview. Guys, one more thing is that Indigo Airlines, not even Indigo, none of the airlines, they don't charge any kind of money. So if anyone asks you for money, if anyone asks you for money, that they will providing job, something like that, so guys, this is absolutely fake thing, right? Okay, now coming to next thing is that these are the few things, and this vacancy was posted at 21st Feb. So today is 21st Feb, and we have provided you the latest vacancy in a very fast and forward way. So guys, please subscribe the button and also press the bell notification again, because 60% of the youth, 60% of the person have not subscribed our channel. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe it. And one more thing is that the new vacancy and lot more new vacancies are in the queue. For example, Delhi based, Bangalore based, Chennai based, right? Lot of new vacancies are in the queue. So guys, do subscribe, get a knowledge, do apply as fast as you can, guys. One more thing is, if you apply as fast as you can, the chances of getting selection will as much as it increases, right? So this was all about the new job vacancy video. And guys, one more thing is that if you want to join airlines, if you want to crack the airlines interview, if you want to learn how to crack the airlines interview, if you want to know what GD topics will be asked by an interviewer and how to respond to GD topics, what questions they will be asking, how to reply, how to make CV, what quality they are looking for, each and everything. So guys, if you're interested, do send me a WhatsApp message. My number 79950844, and we will also conduct free counseling sessions. So you will be having a conversation with our counselor, and she will be briefing you about each and everything. So guys, only those students who want to join our crash course, they can drop your CV, and I will be giving coaching, online coaching just like this, and I will be teaching you how to crack airlines interview and how to join airlines. Guys, I have cracked 6 rounds of interview and 1 cabin crew interview. So if you want to become like other students, so you can just send me a WhatsApp message. This was all about our Aviation Life Academy. We used to provide online coaching sitting at home in Google Meet. So this is the way we used to teach our students. And guys, till now we have 108 selection, which itself it's a record. So guys, let's meet at some other video. Don't forget to follow our Instagram page. Do, if you want to know the venue of Varanasi, if you want to know the venue of some other interview, do instantly click on the Telegram link which is mentioned here in the description. Do click in the Telegram फटाफट से क्लिक मारिए, नहीं तो Telegram इंस्टॉल कीजिए क्योंकि 7,000 सब्सक्राइबर हैं और Telegram बहुत कम लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया, तो फटाफट से Telegram ज्वाइन करना है, इसमें इतना कुछ खास है नहीं। फटाफट से ज्वाइन कीजिए और इन्फॉर्मेशन लीजिए फटाफट से इंटरव्यू निकालने की, ठीक है, इन्फॉर्मेशन। और डोंट एंड एक चीज और, आपको अपने मदर फादर के पैसे यहाँ वहाँ वेस्ट नहीं करने हैं, ठीक है, बाय स्पेंडिंग लैक ऑफ रुपीज, लैक्स 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 अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज आप पैसे करते हैं और आखिरी में कुछ होता नहीं, फिर आखिरी में आप क्रैश कोर्स ज्वाइन करते हैं। At this time, lot of students they have came from lot of institutes, so don't waste your money here and there. पैसे बचाइए और फटाफट से क्रैश कोर्स ज्वाइन कीजिए। और आप हमारे स्टूडेंट से मिल सकते हैं, एयरपोर्ट पे जाकर उनसे बात कर सकते हैं, लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं। तो ये सारी की सारी चीजें हैं। और एक चीज और कि 2 प्लेस जरूर देखिए, एक इंटरव्यू कंटेंट और एक है सेलेक्टेड सब्सक्राइबर, उनके इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस, तो उन्होंने अपना इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया हुआ है। और हमारा ऐप जो है एविएशन लाइफ, उसे भी फटाफट से प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कीजिए। फटाफट से उसमें मार्च तक पूरी चीज अपडेट हो जाएगी। मार्च से जो है वो ऐप जो है प्रोफेशनल बन जाएगा और उस ऐप में सारे कंटेंट रहेंगे, रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स भी रहेंगे, तो आप जाके देख सकते हो। तो गाइस, दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द वीडियो। तो गाइस, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, नमस्कार एंड जय हिंद टू ऑल। गाइस, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। सब्सक्राइब करना फटाफट सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, फॉलो कीजिए, टेलीग्राम लिंक ज्वाइन कीजिए एंड मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। अगली वीडियो बड़ी डिटेल रहने वाली अबाउट द लेटेस्ट जी टॉपिक्स, तो उसके ऊपर रहेगी वीडियो। तो ये सारे के सारे हैं, फटाफट से अप्लाई कीजिए एंड लॉट ऑफ न्यू वैकेंसीज विल बी देयर गाइस, है ना। बागडोगरा, लखनऊ, अगरतला तो है ही, ईस्टर्न रीजन में है। हायरिंग एक साथ इतने सारे जगहों की नहीं कर सकते, मैनेज कैसे होगा, मैनेज करना बहुत मुश्किल है। सो इसलिए ईस्टर्न रीजन, नॉर्दर्न रीजन, ऐसे करके हायरिंग होती है, ठीक है। सो बाकी डिटेल सीक्रेट जानना है, कैसे इंटरव्यू निकालना है, क्या प्रोसीजर रहेगा, क्या क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, आंसर क्या देना है, सारी की सारी चीजों के लिए ज्वाइन कीजिए फटाफट से क्रैश कोर्स और भेजिए मैसेज गाइस मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर में, जो कि 7999508444। ओनली इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स, नो टाइम पासर्स, nothing like that. We were not here to entertain time passers. So अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो ही मैसेज भेजिए और तो ही व्हाट्सएप में मुझे कांटेक्ट कीजिए। तब तक बाय बाय एवरीवन, बाय बाय, नमस्कार एंड जय हिंद टू ऑल। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, जल्दी आएगी नेक्स्ट वीडियो गाइस। बाय बाय एवरीवन।